When you're just out for a walk in the neighbourhood and you bump into the local feral. You alright, Gary? Help, help. Yep. Come on then. Come on, Mr. Old Feral Cat. That's it. Come on. Come on then, I see ya. Come on then. Come on then. You're lucky, I've just been shopping. Come on. God, jeez. I don't think this guy's eaten in a couple of days. It's been 2 days since I last fed him. Oh, he's not looking too bad. Yeah. Coat's looking alright. You doing alright, ain't you, brother? Yeah, you're a happy, friendly feral. Pleasure to feed you. The background noise is the Slovak village Tannoy peach tree. Oh, you've absolutely waffed that down. Fair play, mate. Fair play. Meow meow. Oh, that's it. You are a hungry boy.